I just unpackaged this Porter cable compressor and nail gun kit, and I want to show you what it includes when you pull the stuff out. We have the compressor, 6-gallon compressor, and then we have the air hose. It connects the compressor to the nail gun. So then this is the finishing nailer. It came with some finishing nails, about 100 of them. They're 2-inch in length. And then this thing, I'm pretty sure it hooks to a belt, and then you can hang the gun onto your belt. And if you wanted to. This is the brad nailer, which is, I think, mostly used for trim and stuff, so I will probably be using this one the most since it's more lightweight, not quite as big as this one. And this is the crown stapler, and yeah, that's pretty much all you need. Right now I'm going to put more nails in. I've got 1.5-inch nails. This is the gun, so you do this by just pushing that down and sliding it out. And then putting these in. Okay. See, this is already connected, and we need to go connect the nail gun to the air compressor. Basically what you're doing is you're pushing this up while you're sticking this in. I can't do that with one hand, so just a second. Okay, so now here's the scary part, where you turn on the compressor and it's going to make a really loud noise. So be forewarned. Finally turned off is about 2 to 5 minutes. But now I'm going to turn up the air in the tank. This way turns it up. So I usually go up to about 70 or 80, which is about there. So move your dial by turning it this way up to 80. Now I'm going to show you how to use the nail gun. So I've got this piece of trim that I want to nail to the bottom of our staircase. And so you want to make sure that this part is pushed in all the way, or it will not let you nail. And here's the trigger that you'll push to make it go in. So there's really no rules to how many nails you put in. It's just till it feels secure to you. Okay, that's it. The first thing you're going to do when you're done with the nail gun is to let the pressure out. Remember, when we turned the pressure up, we turned it right. Now we're going to turn this knob left. And you're going to see this dial under. When it's all the way back down, you're going to next take the air hose off of the nail gun. Next, you're going to turn off the air compressor and then unplug it. Okay, now you're going to want to carry the tank to a ventilated area. We usually go on our front porch, and you see how the tank still is full of air on the left side. We let the air out over here, but it's still full. We're going to let the rest of the air out through a valve that's on the bottom of the tank. See this cold thing down here? That is the valve that we're going to unscrew. And you do just a little bit at first.
Okay, so you'll want to check and see if it's coming down all the way or not. Okay, it looks like it's about down to 0. So last step is to close the valve